This is the Regal 43 SAV here at the show. What we have here, obviously it's a sports activity vessel, kind of a hybrid day boat, center console, has a place to sleep for four. But really this whole entertainment aspect that you have here really speaks to what this boat can do. You got the fold-away terrace doors that you can see here, maximizes your beam. Fully functional ultra lounge here, moves forward, back. You can face forward or back. Boat is also equipped, as here at the show, with twin Mercury 600s. You can get triple 600s on this boat. Full of tech, lots of Garmin screens. It's all digital switching, but again, kind of a do-it-all-day boat with a big entertainment aspect on it. So. And I do have a business card. Backrest will come off. And you have two grills up top, two fridges, sink.
Can we look down there?
You certainly can. Yes. No, in Orlando, Florida. Regal's a family company. Still one of the last remaining family companies in the boating world. So you want to trim your lights, any of the actuators, everything is. Hello, everyone.